Welcome to our video on identifying different types of charts provided by Excel. Understanding these chart types is crucial for effective data visualization, helping you choose the best way to present your data. Let's start with the column chart, which displays data using vertical bars. This chart type is particularly useful for comparing values across different categories, making it a popular choice for many users. Next, we have the line chart, which is ideal for showing trends over time. By connecting data points with a line, it effectively tracks changes across different periods, providing clear insights into data trends. The pie chart represents data as segments of a circle, illustrating proportions. It's best used for showing part-to-whole relationships, making it easy to understand the composition of a data set. Bar charts use horizontal bars to compare values across categories. This chart type is effective for displaying long category names, ensuring clarity and readability in your data presentation. Scatter plots are used to plot data points on a Cartesian plane, showing relationships between variables. They are particularly useful for correlation analysis, helping to identify patterns and relationships in data. Area charts are similar to line charts but fill the area beneath the line. They are good for visualizing cumulative data, providing a clear picture of how data accumulates over time. In conclusion, Excel offers diverse chart types for effective data visualization. Selecting the right chart type enhances data presentation and understanding, allowing you to tailor your analysis to specific needs.